today we are in St Ives, which is a seaside town right on the coast of Cornwall here in the United Kingdom. Honestly, Cornwall as a whole is, I'd say, one of the most popular holiday destinations in the UK. And to be honest, once you get there, you kind of understand why, especially during the summertime. Like, it's literally known for its coastline with so many beaches like everywhere, and also some nice cliffs as well. And there's probably many other stuff as well what it's known for as well. So I'm just talking about a few things, so there's definitely more to it. But you know what? St Ives, when I look at St Ives and when I was there at St Ives, it just reminds me of those postcards where the postcard will be a picture of a coastline and of all these nice beaches and cliffs. That's what St Ives just reminds me of. Like, so random, but it reminds me of those postcards. Cornwall in itself isn't just like another county in England. It really has a very strong cultural identity. Like, it has Celtic roots, similar to some parts of Scotland and Wales, and it even has its own flag, a Cornish flag, which is a white cross on a black background. And I also think there is a Cornish language, which probably the locals know anyway. I mean, yeah, obviously, like the local Cornish people would know their language. So it's not just a county that's known for its beaches. I feel like it has much more than that. Anyway, since we're here in St Ives, let's just start talking about St Ives. So St Ives actually started off as a small fishing village, apparently. Back in the day, it was all about fishing, life. But over time, it then became a hub for artists. And even today, I feel like it's known for its art scene, like how lovely it looks with like galleries and studios that are tucked into the towns, including the famous Tate St Ives. But anyway, I'm just saying a little. There's probably so much more in terms of the history of this seaside town. But to me anyway, the beaches were definitely the highlight for me. And can I just say, the wind, like, and if you're not really a beach sort of person, like, you'll be like, oh, okay, it's just beaches. But you know what? Beaches are lovely. I like beaches. Not a massive beach person, but I can appreciate a good beach when I see one. You know, with sand, not rocky beaches. I like sand. And the water as well. Bright, clear blue. And I know many people don't really expect that from the UK, but I'm telling you, like, the UK has some really nice beaches and have clear blue water. Blue water, like, as if you're in the Caribbean or on some other island, or like the Maldives, you know. We have some nice beaches. And also, if you ever come to Cornwall, you have to try a Cornish pasty. Like, it's basically a pasty filled traditionally with beef, potatoes, onions, and it goes way back to the mining days. The miners used to take these pasties to work because they were easy to carry and eat underground. The crust was even used as a handle so miners wouldn't contaminate their food with dirty hands. So it's not just food, it also has quite a bit of history as well. Anyways, generally speaking, I can definitely see why Cornwall, especially St Ives and all the surrounding seaside towns and towns in Cornwall, is a much loved destination to go. It's got the natural beauty, history, culture, and I'd say pretty great food as well. And I would 100% come back here again. Maybe in the summery time, because the wind was a lot. The wind was so strong, I literally had to brace myself. Like, feet planted on the floor, body leaning forward, just like trying to stay in one place. Like, everything was flying everywhere. I'm not even joking. I actually felt like if I just relaxed for 1 second, I would have like taken off, like full on Peter Pan, flying to Netherlands or wherever he went. Yeah, it was to Netherlands. Anyway, that's been a whistle stop tour of St Ives and Cornwall. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.